In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and use Gemini with your Google Calendar. This will allow you to easily manage and inquire about your events directly from Gemini, making your scheduling more efficient and straightforward. Firstly, what you need to do is open your browser and navigate to gemini.google.com. This platform serves as a bridge between your tasks and events and your Google Calendar, so it's essential to have it open. As you enter the site, ensure that the Google account you're using is the same one linked to your existing Google Calendar. This is crucial because consistency across these platforms will guarantee that you're viewing and controlling the correct events and appointments. Once you've confirmed that you're using the same email on both Gemini and your Google Calendar, you can start leveraging Gemini's capabilities. You'll find a search bar on the site. This is your main tool for interaction. Here, you can type in requests or questions about your schedule. You could ask Gemini to create new events or inquire about your existing ones. Simply type your query or command into the search bar and let Gemini work its magic. As you proceed, Gemini will prompt a request for permission to connect with your Google Workspace. This step is vital for the synchronization process. When the permission prompt appears, click the Connect button. By doing this, you allow Gemini to access your Google Calendar, enabling it to fetch information about your upcoming events. This connection is secure and designed to protect your privacy while providing the functionality you need. Now, with everything set up, Gemini will display your upcoming events seamlessly. This provides an effortless overview of your schedule, making it easier than ever to stay up to date. The integration with Google Calendar is designed to be both comprehensive and user-friendly, giving you confidence in its reliability. Finally, let's head back to your Google Calendar to double-check the accuracy of the integration. Open your Google Calendar and review the events it displays. You'll notice that it accurately reflects all the entries and modifications handled through Gemini. This integration ensures that both platforms are completely aligned, eliminating any risk of missing important appointments or getting confused by conflicting information. In summary, by connecting Gemini with your Google Calendar, managing your schedule becomes a breeze. The seamless integration means you can command and query your schedule from a singular, intuitive interface. Make sure to utilize Gemini's capabilities to keep your life organized with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your digital scheduling a little bit easier.